DJM TV.
As you can see, as a result of Edo State Joint Vigilante Group, we are now getting ready to go. You can see the officials and the state coordinator of the Edo State Joint Vigilante Group. We are now set right. You can see everybody's on parade, so that we can now continue and set out for the operation and patrol for today.
Alright, stand up! Hey!
So.
Alright, turn! Remain on Sean.
Everywhere is calm and cool. Everybody on Sean position.
When you are on Sean, you don't move. No matter what touches you.
So you can see that no problem, that you can see that parade is on. And more than hundreds of officers around here who are ready to make sure that there is no more crime in the state. So we have been given the mandate
the ability for you to be on Sean
to continue our operation.
A soldier can stand for 4-5 hours. But can you stand there?
Government House we started, and today here we are. There are some of the officers in charge of this Edo State Joint, senior officers in charge of this Edo State Joint Vigilante Group. So from here we are storming every street, every nooks and corners of Benin, where we are kicking off to pose on fishing out all the bad elements in our midst.
Do not keep yourself. You keep yourself in the door. soldier. If you reach 5 before, you need to.
This message is inside.
If you reach 2 before,
Not complain. Two what they do not they complain.
and that. The more is good for you as a soldier. Not big.
So you can see the commander is working.
Not big. Meat, higher meat is not good for you. Not big. Alright! Alright! Question! Alright, stand up! Hey! Question! Stand up! Hey! For me and to me alone, eyes on board. For me and to me alone. Already on top. Alright. Step forward, march. Alright. Step forward, march. Alright. Step forward, march. Alright. Step backward, march. Alright. Step backward, march. In general.
They do not every
Alright.
do they go no job.
Shot. Don't be faster than your shadow. Listen to the last command. Listen to the last command. Like the say, parade. First standard time. I was about to say to the
As you can see at this point that we have officers with us who are experienced in training.
in general. Let's step forward, march. Short step. Short step. Don't scatter my line. Short step. Alright. Let's step forward, march. If you are late, drop it gently.
That is just what you are seeing now, the physical
If you have late to go,
experiences that this very group of a joint Edo State vigilante group have had. So there's nothing different from the officers in the field of war. On top of the armies, they are here with us. Talk of the police, they are here with us. Talk of the Navy and all the rest of the arms of the forces, they are all here with us. So as a result of this, we are going to, it's a promise that in a short while, Edo State indigenes will begin to sleep with their two eyes closed, because we are bent in carrying out we are bent in carrying out peace and orderliness in Edo State.
Stand easy. Hello. Mora. 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 I am Mora. This is what I need from you.
Video job.
Yeah?
Every day.
This is what I need from you.
Like we're saying, There is the Edo State coordinator discussing with the commander in charge of today's parade.
Parade!
Like we have promised, in a short while, Edo indigenes will begin to sleep with their 2 eyes closed,
Standard eyes!
curbing every criminal in every corner.
In general, eyes on board. Eyes on board. To me and to me alone. Parade, right turn. Parade, right turn. Parade, left turn. Parade, about turn. How will you do that? Do not speak of don't speak of them. If you
Jẹ́ kọ́nà ni wà wá tí ó wà fún àmọ́ ìkànnì mo jà lánàá wọ́n mú ẹ̀rọ ìrìn àti ẹ̀rọ ó mú jà ọ̀dọ́ ṣáà tí kì í bínú ká yẹ.
Alright, I'm on shore. Right over, number squad 1. 2. Get it. Left over, number squad 1. 2. Get it. Hello. Hooray! Hooray! All right. I've got hands by your side. Good. Hey! Left turn. Left turn. You take it back leg forward, not taking the forward leg backward. You take your idea back and forward. Alright. About turn. Adwaya.
Bankam.
Adwaya. Adwaya. Eyes on board. Everybody face me. Face me, I said face me. To me and to me alone. I'm already on shore. Your leg must be big. Alright. About turn. Alright. About turn. Not be so you turn like this.
Left, right, left, right.
Down a Baba chair. No Baba chair with the 2 years. I'm going to have Baba here.
No, okay, power.
Correct. In general. Standard eyes. Did you know why I always am on Sean? Because you should know where you are. You are no longer at home. You are not there as a guest. You fist and do what you follow somebody. Understand? The first way I entered that government, I stand for 4 hours. 4 hours I just stand. They say sit down. I don't want to fuck up, I don't want to shame myself. I stand for 4 hours. So, the girl in the phone like that tomorrow if you have lecture like this, you fuck me up. Hold your rifle and do for jump for me. Or you do Japroma parade for me. Understand? Okay, you are shown no.
The parade is on.
Alright.
It's a part of the training.
Hey. Turn easy. Hey, permission, sir. How can I use it? Good morning, everyone.
I'm happy to see you this morning.
Are you not happy to see me too?
I'm happy to see you, sir. Sir, I have a little something to say here. We are in this mission together. Nobody is a captain here. All of us are captain because all of us are final soldiers. But by His grace, I'm the operational head. This Edo Stat G0vt. There's one thing we need to understand. For you to come back up, at the same time, the backup comes to your area and you fail to follow it to the scene. That is not a good one at all. As an operational head of this Edo Stat G0vt, I'll beg everybody, please, when you come for backup, always be there to take that person to there and make sure your backup is out before you leave him. It happened to me day before yesterday and it happened to me yesterday. But I'm not here to quarrel anybody. And every spot where you are taking your stop and search, those that are with harm, take position far from where you take your stop and search. At the time you rumple yourself there, things happen. Few save from it. If it is 4, if you are 8 there, make 4. Take position with hands far from your checking point. 1 or 2 hands can be within your checking point, but not even along the road. Take a side, a very cover, that if anything blow, you can be able to take cover to rescue those in the center checking. By the time you are there with your gun, everything, things can happen. That is one. Then 2, we are going to change our ways of operation for these 2 days. We are changing another system. In second, we are going to fix person in 2 places there without awareness. We'll take them there quietly. Take the helm inside quietly. Stay. Then some car will come to make some noise and zoom off. You will see the people that did that yesterday will come. They have their eyes on us. We're supposed to have our eyes on them. They change their system. They will be watching us. As we move, they operate. It happened at Okoro. I thank my brother Ibu, though he's not in the parade here. Immediately about 5 teams stormed there. Our brother, one of our VGM brother there, use a gun. As he shoot a gunshot, they zoom off. They'll be about to kidnap the POS girl. We follow them up. By His grace, we'll little from there. They see we left, but they forget that some of us hide inside their house somewhere. By His grace, I'm the third command in that office. I have a right to collect the key of that fence and keep my people there. Then one of our brothers, the same VGN. Easy.
No problem, sir.
So at this junction, we are going to change our strategy. 5 junction. Earlier, 2nd junction within the New Benin, but we are going to take position. Only the center patrol. We take all the center patrol. Everybody take your position. Then other people in your area should be doing stop and start, but very far from each other, and be very careful the way you approach the civilian. We are civilian one way. Sometimes you see our boys, because you stop keke, you not do stop. They're near them, boom, boom. No. Fire, no. Go. No. Not possible. Because when you waste that bullet at that time, if you are now attack, which bullet are you going to attack then?
because you are wasting the one you have. And don't forget, we are just measuring this thing by ourselves. So I know we need to let the head know that we are ready, but not unnecessarily. So I don't have much to say because we need to stomp all our points. But here we are going to do it very loud and clear. If you are on patrol, let us know you are on patrol. And let us know the area you covered. Because sometimes we don't have one particular healers that we know. And some of us, like you see this man, he dress, only waiting I will tell you if you're German, and this beret right in head. Now I will tell you say Bill I send a VGM. So you must give me your signal for me to know you. And this one you did how much on a B3. Now only one get identification. My brother will not go wait to send on a VGM. We must try to change skill there. Because they can discuss us, always know that. Like what happened at Ubuyoko yesterday. The fall of the four armed robber that snatched car at Ubuyoko, according to the report of house, the whole of them was on police uniform. And you as a VGN, you saw the police like that, full order our uniform. But we pump passion, change your music. Because always know that police did not always go with pump passion. So when you see something like that, don't think they are police, don't think they are soldiers. They are not soldiers, they are not police, they are enemies. So that's why you must be very careful. When you saw something like that, the commander in charge there, you know what to do when you know what he's doing. You separate the rest and only one person can go. So in case of the case, the backup will be there for him. Because when you see any uniform man, all around with compassion, please, they are not your brother, they are not your friend, and they are not security men. So whether you take a little video there, you show to the government first before, because when I remember, when I fight kidnapper at Ikpoba River last year, the whole of them was with army uniform. When they go to Jamila to carry this man that killed, they go there with police and army combined team. There was people carrying the man to the river. People was passing. There was police, but whereas they are kidnappers. But the time the information called, tell them that one at them be that, and they begin to release gun. They carry the man come up, but because of stubborn, they kill the man. At the end, they go throw him for river. Thank God, we use the information with my informer on ground. After 2 days, I see the dead body give this one. Wait till I take all this on the top. They can discuss you. They can use your language. Whether OPCO, dual PDA, VGN, Nigeria, private security outfit. We lost 100 souls. So we don't want to lose any soul. And I will come here. This is VGN. We'll go with different ways. You can go with spiritual. I told you earlier, I fight my own physical and spiritual. And I'm going to do that 100% of it. I have done it before, I can still do it now. But I beg you, if you have, if it is rude, pray for your brother. Those that like to take, will take. Everybody cannot speak and put head in one side. Anything you know that you have to protect yourself, and you can easily give it to your brother, why can't you give it to him on this struggle now? Because we are in this struggle, we are supposed to help ourselves. If you have money, buy pure water for your brother. Don't wait for government to do that for you, because tomorrow you can come and buy from me. If you have an issue, you can come on me. If you have an issue, you can come on me. Let's help ourselves. Let's unite ourselves.
Hey, don't go. Too quiet to vote for everything.
For address, I know because
You know the man for sure. Not now here. Now this not let you hand.
Just wait now.
Just like this. Don't touch everything. All these people.
DJM TV. DJM TV.
Fulani people don't say no, they don't like us.
Welcome to DJM TV.
DJM TV. DJM TV. DJM TV. DJM TV.
Some of the delegates and ask them questions.
DJM TV.